LCD Video Walls Installation Guide. Carefully remove the LCD panels from the boxes. Secure the rear brackets and arms to the LCD panels if they are not already there. Attach, but do not secure the wall bracket to one of the LCD panels. Now, measure and record the distances from the mount to the edges of the LCD panel. And check your wall using a stud finder for wires. Using the measurements we got earlier, mark out on the wall the positions of the video wall and the brackets as desired. Now, drill holes and secure your first bracket to the wall. Test the pop-out function is working as expected, which it is. So now we're going to test that the first LCD panel can be hung on the bracket successfully. Remove the test screen and mount the other brackets to the wall. Working one by one, mount the other LCD panels to the wall. If desired, you can secure alignment brackets to multiple LCD panels. And there we go, you've just installed your LCD video wall.